I've been feeling anxious from the past 3 days. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. हम जा रहे हैं रियो की ग्रूमिंग कराने. रियो से हाय. तो टुडे इज सैटरडे और हमारी छुट्टी वाले दिन मॉर्निंग्स बहुत ही ज्यादा हेक्टिक होती हैं. अभी इट्स अराउंड 4 PM. सो अभी हम निकले हैं. ये जितना भोला दिखता है ना, ये बिल्कुल भी भोला नहीं है. और ये बाहर आके तो बहुत ज्यादा नॉटी हो जाता है और बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं मानता है हमारी. बच्चे होते हैं ना वो, जो बाहर आके बहुत ज्यादा नॉटी हो जाते हैं. पता है, माँ बाप कुछ कह नहीं सकते. So we just dropped Rio. It will take him like around 2 hours. Guys, बहुत तेज बारिश आ गई है. हम रियो को लेने जा रहे हैं. We dropped Rio at home and now we are here to have dinner. गाइज हम आए तो थे डिनर करने और हम लेकिन स्टार्टर खा के हमारा ऐसा पेट भरा. स्टार्टर्स आर सपोज टू बी लाइट सो दैट आपका मेन कोर्स का स्पेस हो पेट में, बट इनके स्टार्टर्स बहुत हैवी थे. फूड कैसा लगा?
फूड अच्छा था,
ओके था.
अच्छी नहीं थी.
हाँ मतलब ओके था सब कुछ. हाय गाइज, वी आर बैक होम. It's I think 11:30. It was a okayish day. जरूरी काम था रियो की ग्रूमिंग जो आज हो गई है. And now we will go somewhere exciting tomorrow. Actually, I've been reading this book called The Verity. Let me just tell you, it is the most disturbing book I have ever read. How do I tell you? It's not scary or anything. It's not a horror book. But the things which are written are very, very disturbing to the point that I've been feeling anxious from the past 3 days. I thought it's like temporary और ये feeling चली जाएगी, but it kept on getting worse. I was not able to sleep properly, so I immediately knew that this is because of this book. I've still not completed it. This much is left. I've read this much. I truly understood the meaning of psychological thriller books because of this book. इट इज़ बेसिकली अबाउट एन ऑथर जिसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया है और वो एक बुक सीरीज लिख रही है जो वो कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाती है. हर टीम एंड हर हस्बैंड hires another author to complete her series, and you know that other author comes into this author's home to sort out her notes and everything. जब इसके घर पे वो नोट सॉर्ट आउट कर रही होती है तो उसको एक ऑटोबायोग्राफी मिलती है उसकी जो अभी पब्लिश नहीं हुई होती, तो वो अब पढ़ती है. एंड द मोस्ट डिस्टर्बिंग थिंग्स आर रिटन इन दैट ऑटोबायोग्राफी. इफ यू वांट टू check it out at your own risk. Just gonna remove my makeup now and do some skincare, and then I'm just gonna head to bed. Hi guys, good morning. I am ready and we are gonna try our hands on pottery today, and I am like so excited. It's raining, but I was just saying that I was the kind of person who would not participate in any activity in school, but then my whole perspective like changed completely, and I feel that you should definitely try like different things. Yeah, we are gonna go now. See you there. Guys, we are here. This place is in 32nd Avenue, Gurgaon. I'll put the details in the description box. We are coming here for the first time and it's a very cute and cozy place. We are on the way back home और मेरे फ़ोन में चार्जिंग नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, बट एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अमेजिंग था. हमने बहुत ही क्यूट पीसेस बनाए. वहाँ पे ऑप्शन था कि आप उनको ग्लेज करने के लिए उनको दे सकते हो, तो फिर वो 20-25 डेज में या 1 मंथ तक आपको वापस मिलेंगे. आप कलर सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. I'll catch up with you once I reach home because मेरा फ़ोन पूरा डेड होने वाला है. Hi guys, today is Monday. I was very exhausted yesterday, so I couldn't end the vlog. It was an amazing 2 days, but it was so hectic, especially yesterday. क्योंकि मैं I think 9-9:30 उठ गई थी कल. Can you imagine on a Sunday? Because we like to sleep in till late on Sunday. और उसके बाद हम लोग वहाँ पे गए, बट हमने प्रॉपर ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था। शाम तक हमने कुछ नहीं खाया था। फिर शाम को वी सैट इन अ कैफे और वहाँ पे हमने कुछ खाया थोड़ा बहुत। लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, इट वाज एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस। आई मीन लाइफ कैन बी बोरिंग, यू नो। देयर वाज अ पॉइंट माई लाइफ वाज फीलिंग वेरी रेपिटेटिव एंड सेम ओल्ड सब कुछ चल रहा है। इन माई होल पर्सपेक्टिव हैज बीन चेंज्ड completely, and I always, you know, try to find like different things to try now, and I was not this kind of a person at all. And I feel even if you don't want to, you have to do it sometimes, because कल हमारा इतना hectic था, but then you know we reached there and then we sat in front of that pottery wheel. Everybody was laughing, nobody knew what to do, and obviously they gave demo, and there were assistants to help. No, everybody was looking at each other as to what to do. I'm just like very grateful for life right now, instead of always cribbing कि ये मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, ये मेरी लाइफ में क्यों हो गया. I just want to make a habit of thanking God more often, no matter what situation I am in. There are like so many little things you can be grateful for. I mean, I don't know, for example, we could afford the class. It might sound lame to some people, but the fact that my both hands are okay and I could do that pottery thing. If you're feeling low in life and if you feel that your life has become very boring, you feel that you're into that same loop और वही repetitive सब चल रहा है, you should definitely try out like different things. I'm just telling you by my experience that you can try swimming, you can try reading books, you can try painting, you can try pottery, you can try drawing, you can try badminton, you can try tennis. There are like lot of things you can do, man. If your brain is occupied in some activity, your stress level decreases and you are less bored and it improves your health. There are like lots of pluses in trying different activities. I think I'm gonna try painting next, but I think it's gonna be a while now because I'm gonna be busy for like next few weeks. Hopefully I'll tell you in the next video. So yeah, I'm just gonna go now. Thank you for watching and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.